Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to create videos from just a simple text and how to also convert images that you already have to videos, just like how you can see right here on my screen. All of this we are done just as I have said, and I'll be showing you how to do that today. Okay guys, in order to create amazing videos just like I've shown you, just head over to this AI tool called Nim.video. As you can see, nim.video. Just head over and just go to this website, and it's going to bring you to their website right here. So as you can see, all-in-one AI video app. You can create images, videos, latest models, and a whole lot. And one thing is that this particular app interfaces with other AI tools that you might be familiar with, such as Kling, Minimax, Huan, Flux, and 25 other models that you might be familiar with. So there are a lot you can do with this particular AI app, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. You can do things like text to image, text to video, image to video, restyle, lip sync, upscale, and a whole lot. So as you can see, videos like this were created with this particular AI app. So now let's get started. Now just click on this point that says try for free. It's actually gives you some points that you can use daily to explore this particular app for free. So it's going to ask you to log in with any of your email accounts. So I just select the first one. So just log in with your email account and you have your free account ready. So once you log in, it's automatically going to take you to the place where you start creating this. So for you, it's firstly going to pop up that you should select the kind of video you intend to generate, if it's a film style or whatever style. As for me, I just selected I'm exploring. As you can see, I'm exploring right here. So right now, this is where we start creating our videos. And to create a kind of videos in which you saw, this is how we went about it. You understand? So now let's get started. When you come to this point that says all tools, it's going to show you all of what you can do with this Nim.video AI. So you can generate text to image, image to video, describe what you want, and you can do text to video and a whole lot in this tool right here. Restyle your video, lip sync, and all of that. So for this particular video, I'm going to show you how to do text to video and also image to video. So because of this AI tool has a lot, we are going to be breaking it down, and in subsequent videos I'm going to show you how to do others like lip sync, upscale, and the rest. So let's get started. So the first one we are going to explore right now is to generate text to video. And for you to generate a text to video kind of content, all you just have to do first of all is to have your text ready. So you can impute your own text right here. You're going to type what you want it to turn into a video. As you can see, text to video, or you simply just make it easy for you. As we all know, just head over to ChatGPT, and as you can see, I already have this prompt that I want to use right here. So this prompt, this is what I asked ChatGPT to give me. I have an idea of a prompt I want to write, but I might not have the exact words to write this prompt accurately. So I told ChatGPT to give me a prompt I can use to generate a video of a boy riding a bicycle while some girls are passing with a pot on their head in an African village. So it gave me this amazing stuff right here. So I'm just going to copy all of these, and I'm going to head over back to Nim.video AI, and I'm going to paste it right here. And you can rewrite it. You can ask Nim.video tool to rewrite it for you if you want. So as for me, I'm not going to rewrite it right here. So once you have your prompt, the next thing is to choose the model in which you want to create your video. So something I didn't show you is that this tool gives you 200 points every day. As you can see, I have 200 free points every day. You have 200 free points, I guess. You understand? So what you just have to do is to come to this point that says Kling standard. Is going to show you all of the AI models that they have right here and how many points it's going to take away from you whenever you use any of these AI models. So for Kling standard, 30 points is going to go when I do this generation. Minimax, 60 points. Minimax plus character, Kling Pro, and anyone. So if you want to maximize your 200 points properly, you want to be using the lower points models like Clean Standard and the rest. You understand? So for me, I'm just going to leave it on Clean Standard. Then your aspect ratio. Now, if you want to generate videos for YouTube, use 16:9. If you want to create videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels, you use 9:16. Then if you're just trying to create a normal square video, you use 1:1. But I'll leave it for 16:9, which is for YouTube videos. So now, once you are good to go, all you just have to do is to click on generate. So as you can see right here, it is generating. So once it is done generating, I'll get to see what it shows me right here. So let's wait for it. It's currently on 13. Okay guys, so as you can see, the generation is complete. If you see right here, your first creation is ready, open to explore it. So I'm just going to open it up right now. So if you can see from our prompts, you understand, we want a boy riding a bicycle with some ladies holding a clay pot on their head, which accurately the AI got that aspect. But what the AI didn't get right now is the people. I wanted an African boy riding a bicycle with other African ladies as well holding clay pots on their head in a village. But right now it's actually in a village, but the people are not blacks. This looks like Asians, you understand? So, and if you look what happened here, it changed my prompt that I gave to it to the kind of prompt it wanted to generate. So what I'm going to say about this Nim.video AI text to video generation is that it is still learning. You understand? It is not yet accurate. So if you intend to generate something, what you just need to do is that ensure that you first of all generate the image you want and then convert that image to a video. With that, you have exactly what you want, consistent. So right now, for this, you can do some other things to this particular video. You can upscale it if it's not too clear. You can restyle it. You can describe more. You can add sound and a whole lot, which we are going to explore subsequently. So I just want to show you two things in this video: text to video generation and image to video generation. So we are done with this. You can just download it from this point right here into your PC or your phone, depending on whatever you are using, and then you can explore it later. So one thing you should know is that the downloaded videos comes with watermark, you understand? But I'm also going to be releasing a video on how you can remove watermark from any video that has watermark. So anticipate that video if it is not yet out. But if it is out, you can check on my channel to see how to remove watermarks from your video. So right now, let's move into the next one, which is generating image to video. So let's move on. So I'll just go back right now. And then in this all tools right here, I'll select image to video. So right now, what is going to happen is that I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to give it a text prompt of what I want it to look like, you understand, or what should be happening in the video. So right now, what I'm going to do is also I'm going to go back to ChatGPT to create that image for me, and I'm going to download my image. Very simple. So right here on ChatGPT, so this is what I asked it to do: an image of an African female sorcerer holding a clay pot, brimming smoke. I want it to be a landscape facing the camera. So just ignore my typographical errors right here, but ChatGPT understands what I'm trying to say. If you look at it right here, the woman is holding a clay pot with smoke and all of that. I already have this image in my PC. I'm going to just head over to Nim.video and upload it right here. So as for you, download it to your phone and you upload it from this point. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've imported that particular image right here. So right now, I can put optionally what I want to be happening in the video. You understand? She's holding a clay pot with smoke and all of that. So I can say I want her shaking her hands with the smoke moving up. You understand? I can just do lady. So as you can see right here, lady shaking her hands with the smoke moving around. So I'll come back here and select whatever model I want to use. You understand? Click standard, minimax, one, and any of them right here. So let's just stick with the clean standard to maximize our points. You understand? So I just click on generate right now. Let's see what is going to happen. So remember, the generation is going to take a little bit of time and it will give us our video. Okay guys, so we are done with our generation. As you can see, this is really amazing. Even from here, let me just open it up so we get to see. So you see from my image, it has converted the lady shaking her hands with the smoke moving around, and as you can see, her eyes are just amazing. So if you are creating your African folktale stories, you can incorporate this to make it much more amazing. So right here, you can just go ahead to download this video. You can upscale it if you wanted to have more quality, you understand, and then you download it. So for me now, let me just click on upscale. You understand? I'll go to upscale the video so it gives out a little bit of more higher quality. But let me download this one first of all, and then I'm going to upscale it so you get to see how clear it looks like. So as you can see right now, for the upscaling aspect, do you want to upscale it to 1x, 2x, or 4x? So I'm just going to do 2x, and the frame, I'll just leave it to 1x, you understand? Then I'll just click on generate. So as usual, it's going to generate fast, and then it's going to give you your upscaled video. Okay guys, so as you can see, our HD video is ready. And as you can see, I think this is more clearer, and you can just download it to your device. So guys, you have achieved the purpose of this particular video, which is to show you how to generate text to videos and also image to videos. So if you enjoyed this tool, ensure that you drop a comment on the comment section of this video to tell me if you find this tool amazing. And also guys, ensure you subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates just like this. So right now, this is the next video YouTube recommend that you watch to see how to lip sync these videos which you have generated. I will see you on that video.